Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have just wrapped up work. It's about 5:45 and I was craving something warm, so decided to make me a cup of peppermint tea. I love peppermint tea, and I am typically not a tea person, but one year I went on a trip with one of my girlfriends to Colorado, and we were in the mountains and I was getting really nauseous. I had a headache. So I was telling her I don't feel good. So immediately we knew that it had to do due to elevation. We went to Breckenridge, Colorado. So if you guys have not been there, I suggest you guys going there because it is so beautiful. But they had oxygen bars throughout the entire little town. So we decided to go to one, and she gave me peppermint tea. And she said, anytime you're feeling nauseous or you have a slight headache, drink peppermint tea because it does help. So ever since then, I have been sipping on peppermint tea, but I like things that are very minty. I like mint chocolate chip ice cream, even though I'm not a big ice cream person, but I do like the mint chocolate chip ice cream. I love peppermint mochas around the holidays. And I like peppermint tea. So anytime I want something warm, I'll drink some tea instead of coffee. But I have some sad news. Yesterday, our daughter's dog passed away, and he was a cute little dog. As you can see in the picture, he was an older dog. So I think we all knew, and especially she knew at some point this was going to happen, but you never can really prepare yourself when you lose a loved one, whether it's a furry family member or just a family member, friend, or whatnot. But, we all feel really sad and for her because, you don't want your kids going through anything like this, or for them to be sad or hurting, because you as a parent, you feel it even more to see your kids hurting. So, it was a sad day yesterday, and, we're checking on her throughout the day, but we just know that he is in a better place, and he's not suffering anymore. But that is something that, we took kind of hard, and, especially her, and yeah, she'll get through it and know that he is definitely in a better place. But yeah, so I wrapped up my work day, and it is about 5:45, and I'm going to sip on this tea a little bit, and then my youngest boy, well, not youngest. So basically all our children are pretty much young adults. We just have one left here at the home. He's 16 years old and he's in high school. But my 21-year-old is out here today, and he's decided to come and hang out with mom. So he's getting ready because we're going to go outside and feed the deer. The last time I fed the deer was on Sunday. So I fed them on Sunday. And today's Thursday, so I'm going to go ahead and feed them again today. But it is a gloomy day outside. So the weather forecast said that we have chances of rain, but it's not raining and it keeps changing. So it's just gloomy. So it's just going to be a nice, cozy, warm evening here at home. And for those of you that don't know, I do work remote, or more like a hybrid situation. So I am very thankful that I do, because it does make life a little easier when we're at home and we're trying to get things done. Right now I have dinner in the oven. I made a pot roast, and it's just simmering away in the oven, and I'm going to pair it with some white rice. And I go back and forth whether I do mashed potatoes or white rice, but my boy is here, my son is here, and I know he's not too keen on mashed potatoes. So what's wrong with him? Who doesn't love mashed potatoes? So he does like rice. So we're going to eat it with rice, but we're going to go outside and water all our plants. I have 2 golden pothos plants here at the house, and they need some watering. So I'm going to water them, and then the flowers that we purchased over the weekend. And yeah, and then feed the deer, and then we're gonna have just a nice cozy evening. And I'm so glad that you guys are here with me. So let me get to watering those plants and sipping on my tea.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
We got home just in time. We decided just, spontaneously, let's go down to the lake and just go get some fresh air down there and get out the house for a little bit. But we got home just in time because it is raining and it's just been a pretty gloomy day. But I love my sunshine and sunny days, but there are days that I just love gloomy days because it's just so cozy and you're just at home and enjoying the rain and cozy up on the couch and just relaxing. But it did start to rain, which is good. Our grass needs some water and our plants. So I'm about to go serve dinner since our pot roast has been simmering away all day long and the house smells amazing. And if you want to know how I make my pot roast, I have a vlog, like a little cooking series vlog, and here's a little snippet of what the vlog, the thumbnail of it. So I'll link it also in my description box. So I also have every recipe timestamp because I believe I did 3 recipes in that vlog. So if you want to make pot roast, just look at the timestamp and go there and make it because it is the bomb. It's so good. And nothing screams cozy like pot roast. I find that just such a comforting meal. But I'm about to go serve dinner and enjoy the rain. I am very hungry because I have not eaten much today. I have been working all day and your girl needs some food. Okay guys, here's the pot roast. If you can smell my home, I wish there was a smell app. This smells so good, and when I tell you it tastes good, yum. Like, oh my gosh, it is so good. Okay guys, we have cleaned up, filled our bellies. The hubby's happy. We are about to have a movie night and we're gonna make some popcorn. And my son brought, so we have this thing where we pop popcorn and then we sprinkle M&Ms in our popcorn because we like that savory sweet combo. I just love it. I went to Chicago one time and I had Garrett's popcorn, and it's a combination of like cheesy popcorn, buttery popcorn, and caramel popcorn, and it is so good. So this is just our little version of savory and sweet. So we have just normal bag popcorn, and And then we're gonna make a little separate bowl of just you got this cheesy caramel corn flavoring. So we're gonna do popcorn now and watch a scary movie. And I'm doing this for him because I do not do scary movies whatsoever. I don't know why. Since I've been little, I think I was traumatized watching scary movies when I shouldn't have been, but ever since then I don't watch scary movies. I just don't like them. But I'm gonna be a big girl, and the things that we do for our kids, I'm gonna watch a scary movie with him. So here's popcorn.